Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Ban Jngi, kalong ke jing mentoy ba ha kaliang ke kot ke khia jong ke met ubreu. Bat wat ladang duna ki ba Jngi, kani ke sport kalong ke ai ke pasong tenat ban yoi ba suki pasuki kala sedang ban kieu hari jongi. Dang hinne ke sengi sejan ke arpun retorik ujemang. Nilayo ban sakhi ya ke Jingïakob Jngi kepala penlong dekat Thrills Fun Park Mawleiñ Mawkhan Ribhoi District. Kani kedai ke thrill swimming competition ke Nyngkong ha ke babun ngut ki khna samla kumju ru ki bala khamhe karta kila wani shimenta shitrhem warla kamdai ke Jingïakob na benta ki batbet bat yo kedan ha kani ke sport lani ki professional lapat ban yoi ba ke jingwan shimenta jong ki paj ba kapau ba ke Jngi kala nang kham su thiet ha ke jingmut jing berkhat jong ki babun ban nalor ba ka yarap ya ka kot ka khia kalong ru ke jing pengat kham tam ha kini ki samoi ba shit kamariang Baro ki don saupusan ngut kinong yeshimenta hagi babun ki kerdan kentup ya ke freestyle, breaststroke, backstroke, but butterfly. Hagani ke sengi ya ke Jingïakob la pia hagi benta jong ke under 16, under 20, under 25, but senior. La sam ya ki khusnam shaginong job de ikong Matseudor War, Director Arts and Culture Department, Government of Meghalaya. Laban kedo bau nong ruai bapau ke jelau lu majau ru ulai don lang hagani ke sengi. Na kabenta ki bapalat ka arpoi snem karta ki shenrang u Jonathan Dunai ulayo ya kanam la do penbot dau kitbok lang khar kongor bat u Jonarius majau. Na kabenta ki bahapo ka arpoi snem u akhia don nam lengdo ulayo ya kanam la do bat labut dau hame kharsati bat u upshai niangti. Hagaliang jong ki kentai ki bahapo ka khan riu snem karta I cafe nong dhar ilayo ya kanam la do bat labut pat dai dei pisha lengdo talang. Hakaliang jong ki shenrang ki bahapo ka khan rius nem karta I hebret one penshngan ila yo ya kanam la adu karba I hebret vanji kupar lengdo bar I hebret alan b kharbani kila bot din hakaliang jong ki kintai ki bahapo khar ars nem karta pat I Gabriela Kongsngi ila yo ya kanam la adu ya kabala bot dai Jinesa W Walang Hakaliang jong ki shenrang ki bahapo ka khat ars nem karta I hebret Albers kharbani ila yo ya ka kerdan ka Nyngkong balabot dai hebret dondor niangti bat I nangsan nong lai Sngotana ru badon ki hebret ki baslor ban Yakob hagani ke Jingïakai kata I hebret Rosario niangti bat I hebret Tiara niangti ki bala yo nam bat uwei ni ki bala hetam karta udai ba AS Mawleiñ Haga freestyle relay pat ka kanhon saw ayam swimmers kala yo ya kanam la do bat boat ka swim well aquatic club bat ka veteran swimmers Haga relay category pat ka saw ayam swimmers kala yo ya kanam la do bala boat ka yorang hep swimmers bat ka veteran swimmers Haga junior relay ka Mawleiñ swimmers kala yo ya kanam la do bala boat ka young gun swimmers
We always said the government is there to help you but we need to work together I'm sure that we were discussing on many other probabilities. We all know that the National Games 2022 is just around the corner. And the state is definitely looking at setting up state-of-the-art infrastructure for this purpose. And it's beautiful to see that Eugene and his group has already taken the initiative to bring all the young kids into the sport. We have swimming, we have diving, we have water polo. And I'm sure that our children have all the potential to become champions someday. We had the opportunity of visiting Thrills Park right from when we were very small. We had a go at our go-karts, but this place has grown immensely. And I would like to thank you, Eugene, thank you so much for taking all these initiatives. And I'm sure that everyone here would agree with me that we owe a lot to Eugene and his group. And I wish you all the best in your future endeavor. On behalf of myself and the government, I would like to say that we definitely would like to open our hands and our doors to you. Please do come in, we'll discuss and see what are the best possible ways to take your efforts forward.